Welcome to Mindful Cooking at Geetha's Kitchen. Let's make sambar, Kerala style sambar with fresh masala paste today. This recipe makes about 3.5 quarts of sambar. First, we need to cook 1 cup of Toor dal using a pressure cooker or Instapot and keep that aside. Boil 2 to 3 cups of water with 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder in a large pot. Cut 1 big onion into cubes. Split 3 to 4 green chillies and add those to the boiling turmeric water. You can skip adding the green chillies to reduce the spiciness. Cover the pot and cook for 2 minutes. Add the cooked dal to the curry. Mix it well and adjust the consistency by adding water. I added about 2 cups of water and mix it well. Cover the pot and let it boil. Now you can start cutting the vegetables that you are going to add. You can add any vegetable to the sambar. I'm going to add a piece of squash that I got from my backyard. I'm going to use the skin of the squash also. I cut the squash into big cubes, washed it well, and added that to the curry. You can replace the squash with potatoes or carrots or winter melon, any vegetable you can add to the curry. Cover the pot and let the squash cook. Soak a bowl of tamarind, a lemon size bowl, in boiled water. Now you can add tomatoes or okra, whatever vegetables is available. I'm going to add tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes into big cubes and add that to the curry. Let it cook for 1 minute. Do not overcook the vegetable. I think the vegetable is cooked now. You can see the squash is cooked well. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and stir it. Let it boil. Squeeze the juice out of the soaked tamarind and remove the pulp and add that to the curry. Mix it well and cover the pot and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Tamarind needs to be cooked. The background music that you are listening to is a creation of our Srikutta, Srikant Nambudiri. Thank you, Srikutta, for letting me use the background music. Thank you. Add 1 teaspoon of asafoetida to the curry and mix it well. If you are using the raw kind, kayam or asafoetida, please fry that with the masala and grind it and add that to the curry. Now we are going to prepare our masala paste. For that, heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. I used coconut oil in a pan and add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds to it. It will take just 30 seconds and you can see the coriander seeds are turning brown. Then add fenugreek seeds or methi seeds and fry them for about 1 minute and it will start turning golden brown. When it starts turning golden brown, you need to reduce the heat, put it in the lowest flame, and add the red chillies to the masala and stir it. Then add curry leaves, mix it well. Then you can add the grated coconut. I used about 10 red chillies. You can reduce the number if you want to reduce the spiciness. The spice level of this sambar was medium. If you want to make it mild, you can reduce the number of red chillies. Fry the coconut. You don't have to fry it to the golden brown. I like it when the coconut gets roasted. Just fry it till it turns golden brown. Do not over fry and burn the coconut. Turn off the heat. Transfer the masala mix to a blender. Powder it first so that the red chillies and everything get powdered first. Then add warm water and grind it to a paste. The aroma comes out of the masala, the fried fenugreeks, coriander seeds, red chillies, curry leaves, everything will give you a nice aroma. Add the curry paste to the boiled curry. Put it in the low flame. Let it boil like for a minute or so. Now the sambar is ready. You can taste it and see if you need to add more salt. I didn't. I just added 1 tablespoon of salt. That was enough for this quantity of sambar. Now you can prepare the seasoning. I used coconut oil to get the authentic taste. Heat the coconut oil and add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Then add 4 green chillies split. Then the curry leaves. The coconut oil and the curry leaves will give you a nice smell. Add that to the sambar, mix it well, and enjoy it with anything: dosa, idli, vada, or rice, plain rice, steamed rice. It goes with anything. Sometimes the sambar will get thicker. Then you can dilute it to your consistency using boiled water. I added asafoetida also to the boiled water, and add the boiled water to the sambar. And my girls, they like coriander leaves in the sambar. It's optional. Usually in Kerala we don't add coriander leaves to the sambar. Enjoy. Please try the recipe and leave comments. Please like and subscribe to Geetha's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.